some Dasante water. So let's go to Target. See, I'm at Target shade. I know one thing, it's hot out here. So I'm gonna see y'all inside. Alright. Alright. We're in Target. It ain't as busy as it was yesterday. Oh, they got their little fans right here. Honeywell force table air circulation fans for $16.99. That's a good little office fan, or a fan for the room. Oh, they got it in black too. Okay. That'll be a little fan. Nice little fan. Alright, let's get to the water. Okay, I got the water. I had to come way around the store to get this darn water, and then it's the last pack. So we gotta get some cat food also for the neighborhood cat that we be feeding. It's a little wild cat, and the cat was born up under the house, so they never did leave the house. So my husband keep them there. He said it keeps snakes and stuff away. So I will see y'all over there at the cat food. I know one thing, this little picky little cat. He'll only eat a certain type of food. Let's see. I know he like this brand. So I'm gonna get him one of those. He like this one too. I'm gonna get him one of those. And what's the other one that he like? I don't even see it. No, he like that salmon dinner. Those. What else? That cat. That's a picky little eater cat. I don't see no cat. You a wild cat. Instead of being grateful for somebody to feed him, you be picky about the food that you do give to him. Let me see. I'll get him another one of these salmon. Make sure he has something to eat. Alright, I think that's it. Let's walk around Target and see what they got. It's a cute little bookshelf. For the students. It's $40. See that? It's $40. What else they got? They got it in black. What else they got over here? This one $45 right here, and it seemed like that one holds a lot more. See that? That's $45. That's the price right there. $45. What else they got over here for the students that's moving into the dorms? Okay. They got a little room essential, little desk for $90. This right there. This one right here is $110. So if y'all got some students going off to college, Target is the place to come and get the stuff. I had a little coffee table, $42. Look at that. Okay. Microwavable rolling cart for $32. No, it's $36. Yeah. $36. Okay. What's this for $13.60? What is that? Stackable shelf. Okay. That little thing right there for $13 for their shoes. Okay. Got them the little chairs for $35. Little room chairs right there. Let's see what else Target got. I got the little TV stands. $85. See a lot of them. You got another one for $60. Look at that. That's a nice little stand. For $60. Sits up to 70-inch TVs. That's that one down there. You can see it better down here. For $60. This one right here is a TV 43-inch for $48. You can see it better down here. Let's see what else they got. Console table for $55. Let's see if we can get this out here. That ain't bad for $55. Okay, what's this for $42? It's $42 right here. This little, what's this? 4-drawer dresser. I wonder how much that is. Let's see. That's the nightstand for $70. I don't see the price for the dresser though. Oh, yes I do. It's $90. No, it's $150 because this one right here is $90. Oh, that stuff is heavy. That's $90 right there. That's that price. Let's see to the other one. That one, that 4-drawer dresser right there. That's $150. That ain't bad. Okay, Target. Okay, Target. Okay, Target. What is that right there? Oh, them nightstands. 3-drawer dresser, $120. That one right there costs $120. This one right here is $96. I wonder what the difference is. So both of them is 3-drawer. I don't see no difference. This one $96 and this one $120. Only thing I see the difference is white. That one is a brown. This one right here is white. I don't know what it is. But it is essentials y'all need, even for the house. Target got it. Let's move on. They got that little printers on sale too for $69. Hewlett Packard. Okay, for $69.99. That's a cute little tear cart. $32. Okay. Alright. Target got their stuff out. Y'all need to come and check it out. Alright, fam. This is all I got. Cat food and water. So let's head to checkout. Of course, I had to come and get me some water also. This Celtics water right here. It's the best thing to drink if you need any energy. Plus, they burn fat also, so yeah. Alright, total comes to $13.79. Alright, fam, that's just a little short Target shopping that I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all having a blessed day. And I will talk to you again in the next video. Bye-bye.